Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to block someone on Viber. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. App for voice and text chat, Viber is a popular alternative to WhatsApp and Skype, with millions of users enjoying its messaging and gaming features. To stop or allow someone from contacting you, you can block or unblock them. We've described the steps in this video if you need to know how to do it. Tap Open Viber application from the app drawer and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, go ahead and choose the contact that you'd like to block on Viber. Tap on the contact from the chat screen or simply tap on the calls button and select one of the contacts that you'd like to block from your contact list. In my case, I've opened up a contact from the chat screen. Now, simply tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner from the chat screen. Tap on Chat Info from the pop-up. This will open up their profile on Viber along with their phone number. Scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see an option that says Block this contact. Give it a tap and you've now blocked a contact on Viber. To unblock them back again, you'll need to open up the same conversation and tap on the unblock button at the top right hand corner, and there you have successfully unblocked them as well. That is how you can easily block or unblock someone on Viber application. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.